In Severodonetsk, the International Legion of Ukraine participated in the fighting and brought additional ammunition and material support for the Ukrainian armed forces while deployed to the region. In this way, the Russian army was repelled by the sudden raid and offensive of the Ukraine. The Ukrainian armed forces is conducting counter-attacks against the last strategic change of the Russian army and is beating the Russian army in the region, liberating more than 50% of the Severodonetsk region, which the Russian army captured 80% of. The repulse of the Russian army was carried out personally by the head of the military administration of the Luhansk region, Serhiy Haidai. An intelligence assessment made by the British Ministry of Defence recently published the assessment that Russia will take control of the entire Luhansk region within 2 weeks. Upon this question, Haidai stated that this assessment was unrealistic and that Russia had liberated 50% of the region with the counterattack of the Ukrainian armed forces in the Severodonetsk region, 80% of which was occupied. The breaking moment of the war in the Severodonetsk region had actually begun weeks ago. The clashes on the Syversky Donets River and the heavy losses suffered by Russia were the first blow to the Russian army in the region by Ukraine. However, although the Russian army lost 3 battalions of tanks in these attacks, it did not stop and began to advance in the Severodonetsk